Ah, welcome, adoring fans. Thank you for joining me today. Mike Belluomo on Coffee Break again. And I thought I'd bring you another one of the fantastic products that I absolutely love. Today I'm bringing you BG Super Cool. BG Super Cool is actually a cooling system product. You'll add it into your radiator with your periodic service. What it brings to your car is added protection. And today, well, I brought something that you should know about. Sometimes the inside of your car corrodes and causes problems just because it lacks the protection it needs with your coolant. Come to the rescue is BG Super Cool. It adds vital ingredients that will protect your car. Well, when I get burns and scratches, I like to use a little aloe vera. It actually cools and protects and soothes. It's a lot what BG Super Cool brings to your car. So next time you're at your service center, ask for it by name, especially when your cooling system service comes up. If you can't remember what the name is, well, let me just say, Super Cool Mike, Super Cool BG. You can ask for either by name, and thank you for coming. Bye-bye.